Today we're going to be making veg pulao. Today for our recipe we need soaked basmati rice, green peas, carrots, green chili, coriander, ginger garlic paste, spices, salt, onions, oil, cumin seeds, and biryani masala. Add oil in an instant pot. Add our whole spices. Add cumin seeds. And add onion. And saute it. Add ginger garlic paste. Add green chili. And some carrots. Add green peas. Add our biryani masala. Add rice. Mix it. Add water. For every 1 cup of rice, add 2 cups of water. Salt. Mix it. Add coriander. Cover it with the lid. Pressure cook it for 7 minutes.